In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the high-level brake light from an Audi A3 8P. She is 2004 to 2012.
First step is to open the boot and undo the two T25 torque screws that you can see on the inside. Using your trim removal tool, get it in the gap between the plastic cover and the boot lid. Start in the corner, pry it down, and the clips just pop in. They are quite stiff. Sometimes it feels like you're going to break it, but you just have to go for it. And that's it removed. As you can see, they're the clips, they're the positions of the clips. There's 4 on each side. Next, you need to remove this trim around the top of the windscreen. First, undo these 2 T25 screws. There's 1 on each side where the trim finishes. The rest of the trim is clipped into place, so using your trim tool, start at the edge, pry that outwards so you're going that way, the sides. Do the other side. Once you've done the sides, the part across the top will pull towards you. Then unhook it from the screen. Now you can see the back of the light here through these 2 gaps. This black part along the bottom is like a slider that holds the clips in place that keep the brake light held to the boot. So what you need to do is knock this across. Use a flat screwdriver, not too sharp, and just tap that across. Let's go. When it goes across, it'll drop. Now this hard to see here, I'll show you them afterwards, but there's 3 metal clips that are like hooked around the brake light itself. They need to come down. So there's 1 in the middle, you can get through the gap, and the other ones just either side. Sometimes they fall down, sometimes they get stuck. You can hear them fall into the boot. There's not much you can do, you're just going to have to let them drop into the boot and fish them out afterwards. When the 3 clips are off, the boot, the light will push out the boot there. What you have to do is get it from the other side. Slide that out, and there's a plug there. You can just push the little tab in. And pull that out, and that's the brake light removed. So this is the assembly now it's removed. You have to push that out through the same hole that the light came out, and then fish those out. I used a magnet to get them out of the boot panel. They were just like loose around there when it came off. So the way it works, these 3 clips slide on here, and you just make sure you tuck them under the lamp on both sides so they're tucked in. Do that for all 3 clips. Make sure the clip is tucked under on each side. Then you need to slide this part back on. You've got to do this before you put it back in. So get it the right way around. You can see these little notches here slide into the square holes, and the spring pushes on the back of each clip. So you've got to line them all up
push them down against the spring. Once they're all in and it's flush, you push it back over like that to click it into place, and now it's ready to fit back into the vehicle. Now to fit it back, put the plug back in, and providing you've got the clips all in the right place, they should all be springy. Get it lined up and level and just click it back in.